What's cracking, everybody? Happy back to school season. Today's video is going to be a brand new extremely natural makeup tutorial for the back to school season. And this one is super duper extremely natural because, first of all, when you wake up in school, well, for school, not when you wake up in school, I hope you're not living there, okay? I really hope you're not living in the school because, first of all, no, you do not need to be in school that long. But when you wake up for school, you don't really have a lot of time to be worrying about, you know, makeup and all that extra. So today I'll be doing an extremely natural makeup tutorial. I do these series regularly on my channel, and not to mention, I said not to mention, why did I do this? Not to mention I'll be posting a back to school video every single day this back to school season. So subscribe for that, and I will link down below my back to school giveaway that is going on right now. So check that out to enter. It is amazing, huge back to school supply haul giveaway. So check out that link so you can enter and win, as well as check out my full back to school playlist. I have so many videos, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. We will be starting with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I put this on every trip, but use any primer that you prefer. I will be using my high-end primer, foundation, etc. But you can do this same thing with drugstore too. So don't let the high-end stop you. So important to prime. I put this on my eyelids as well because I always double up foundation as primer and primer as eyelid primer. You feel me? Double it up. From there, I'll be putting on my foundation. So I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna foundation. I just bought a new beauty blender, and when it is damp, it absorbs a lot of the foundation. So I just am using it dry until some foundation builds up on it, and then I will dampen it so it doesn't absorb as much as my product. But yeah, just put on a whole nice layer of foundation of your choice. But I'm using, of course, the Fenty Beauty, my favorite, in the color 370. Also, be sure to follow me on my social medias. I will pop that up on the screen. I post a lot of motivational things on there and just good looks, outfits, you know, what I'm doing. It's really fun, so follow me. Low-key feels like I'm punching myself in the face. But you gotta do what you gotta do, because I don't want this to absorb all of my foundation. So now we're going to take that foundation and double it up as a concealer underneath our eyes and an eyelid primer. So just take some of that foundation, add a dot underneath the eyes for concealer, and add a little bit on the lids just to make your eyelids stickier for our little bit of eyeshadow we about to put on today. Literally. So simple. Keep it simple, ladies and gentlemen. Whoever watching, I don't care. Got a little foundation on my contact, and it's like, I'm gonna just stay right here in place, okay, Fenty Beauty? It's still under a little bit, but forget it. Going in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, I'm going to use that to set underneath my eyes and on my eyelids too. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Match Stick, and I use it as a contour stick in the color Truffle, and I'm going to contour my cheekbones out. So because this is extremely natural and we're not going to do really a lot of eyeshadow today, I want my contour to really pop and look really nice. Depending on your age, if your parents allow you to wear makeup, this would be an extremely appropriate look though for all ages in high school. but a little less for the freshmen and things. But if you're like a junior or senior, this is perfect for you. The freshmen can do this too, but just not as much face makeup, I'd say. Where is my brush? I'm like, so I'm just gonna blend this out with this angled brush. Of course, I'm getting a phone call. This is so annoying. So now the next step of this look, oops, I dropped all my brushes. The next step for this look is going in with my Anastasia contour kit in medium to tan. I'll be taking these light shades here to set underneath my eyes even further and add some color on top of the translucent setting powder. I'm gonna also put this on top of my eyelids. For contour, I'm going to take this same palette. I'm going in with this deeper contour shade, and I'm going to contour my cheekbones. For blusher, I'm using my favorite blush at the moment. This is from my Deck of Scarlet palette, and this is the Edition Dream, it's called. I really love this palette. I just love the blusher, the highlighter. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is called Tiara. It's just a very pretty pink, but it's super matte. Blusher is going to help make you look more awake at school in the morning, so definitely add that. Add some nice color to your cheeks. We're gonna set the rest of our face makeup with the Sephora pressed powder. Mine is in the color Toffee Peach. Any place that we haven't put powder on yet, which will be the nose area, forehead, and right below her. Alrighty. So now it is brow time. We need to get these brows taken care of, girl. We need to add some color, okay? I do not feel complete without my brows. It's just like a major key. So I just like to brush them into shape and then fill them in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in the color Chocolate. I use the darker shade to outline my brow and the lighter shade that hit pan to fill it in. I'm going to go in with a fluffy crease brush that's semi-dense. This is the Morphe M504 brush. You could find this at Ulta for like $4.99. I'm going to go into my Tarteist Pro palette. I really like the one shade because we're literally going to be using one shade, baby. So we're keeping it super duper simple, literally. I'm going in with the color, well, we're going to use a few, but keep it simple. So I'm going in with the color Bold in the crease. It's like this really light taupey color. Only, not taupey, but y'all see it. This one right here next to this one. We're gonna go on with these two, but we're gonna use this one to start. It's called Bold. And we're gonna just put that in the crease. And we're really just gonna work off of our crease to make this shadow look. We added some color on here with our under eye highlights. So we're keeping it super duper natural and simple just to outline our crease and add definition to our eyes. And any soft browny color will work for this, or just like a soft color for your skin tone. And that is that. Now we're just going to go in with a fluffy brush that is not dense at all and go in with that color Edgy, which is right next to it. It's like a, you know, brownie color, and we're just going to work that in the crease lightly just to further define our crease. blend it a little bit onto the outer half of the eyelid. Just blend it down when it's already blended mostly. And boom. Super soft crease. And super appropriate for school, you guys. Super appropriate for school. It's literally just to bring out your natural beauty. School should not be you out here trying, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's like at prom, homecoming, you could do the extraness, but you're just getting up in the morning, going there to do your work and get the job done. So from there, I'm going to add on some eyelashes. I'm adding on these eyelashes by Ardell. And I don't know which ones these are, but they're really, I guess, fluffy ones. I always gotta add eyelashes. You can too, or you can just skip this step. And these lashes are really full and has a dramaticness to it just because I wanted to pop a little bit because this makeup look is super duper natural. Okay, so while this one lash is drying, I'm just going to go in with my highlighter. The highlighter I'm using is going to be from the Deck of Scarlet palette we used earlier for the blush. It is called Fairy Dust. I think it's a really pretty highlighter, and just go in with however much you like. The more less amount you put on, the more natural it will look. But I'm going to put on a nice amount. I don't know, I like my highlighter. This really isn't a crazy look. It's just enhancing all of your natural features. Then taking my smaller brush, this is my Sephora Blending Shadow Brush. I use it to highlight underneath my brows with the same highlighter. Then on my nose as well, I always highlight the point of it. And then blend that out with a fluffier powder brush. This is my Makeup Addiction Jumbo Powder Brush. I just blend it out with this, as well as the bridge of my nose. Just in between my eyes, nothing too crazy. Going back into the Tarteist Pro, I'm going to draw a little bit of the edgy color we use, the darker brown, underneath my eyes to bring together the upper eye look too. Just on my lower lash line. So now I'm going to go in with some setting spray. I'm using my Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray. And then on top of that, I'll be using my Rose Water setting spray. This just helps make it look even more natural. I'm gonna have my folder ready. Y'all know I like to always, what is on here? I like to always fan dry with a folder when I'm done. Finally, we get to go in with mascara. So I'm using my Perversion mascara by Urban Decay. All right, for lips, I'm going in with my, I'm about to bring y'all a little closer. For lips, I'm going in with my Carmex lip balm, rubbing it off, because I don't like to have lip balm on before my lips, but it will still moisturize it, as well as remove any foundation that possibly got on my lips. So I put it on, and then I take a paper towel and rub it off. And it removes any foundation that you got on your lips. Okay, so to align my lips, I'll be using my Cork lip liner by MAC. It is the perfect brown for my skin complexion. And then my go-to everyday lip color is the Cork lip liner with the Velvet Teddy Matte Lipstick. I've been doing this for like almost 2 years now. Literally love it. So I'm going to put this on. It's by far my favorite everyday lip combo. As you can tell, it's just a natural pink and it looks so beautiful with the eyes. So here's your finished extremely natural makeup look for school, you guys. This is so perfect for my juniors and seniors. If you are a freshman or sophomore, of course, wear whatever your parents approve of you to wear, but I'm loving this. Ooh, I'm bumping my camera. Let me put in my, not my lashes, my earrings. This is the perfect extremely natural makeup tutorial and look for school every day. You put on your beautiful natural lippy, the eyes. I'm really obsessed with it right now, for real. When they see you in the hallways, they're gonna literally be like, wow, how is she so extremely naturally beautiful? Okay, you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed. Subscribe for new back to school videos every single day. Again, I will list down below my back to school supplies haul giveaway. It is huge. It is such easy steps to enter. So click that link. I will also link down below my full back to school playlist because I have so many videos and I'm so excited for this year. Like this year's season back to school. It is gonna be lit, so definitely want to subscribe for that. I'm also going to ask you to follow me on my social medias. There's so many good looks on there, motivational posts. You'll get to see what I'm doing and my different outfits and all of those types of things. And I will catch you guys in my next video tomorrow. All right, bye you guys. Mwah. So strong, I'm not blinking. What in the world was I thinking? New day, new money to be made. New things for them to imitate.